Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've been shopping on the Lookfantastic website and I just thought I'd show you some of the items that I've bought. This video is in collaboration with Lookfantastic. They kindly sponsor my monthly haul picks videos where I get to choose a selection of products every single month, and they could be products that I absolutely love and keep on buying, or it could be brand new items just released, or absolute bargains that I have to get and share with you all. As always, you'll find a mixture of products in my hauls, and you will find links to them down below in my description. So if you're interested in purchasing them for yourself, if you fancy, or if you want to have a look on the Lookfantastic website, then you'll find links to the website, to the products, plus they've given me a code which is DiaryLF, and that will entitle you to receive a discount off everything featured in this video and up to 25% off site-wide, including on sale items. So you'll find it all listed down there, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. Now I'm having to film this for a second time, which is really annoying. My camera broke and I wasn't aware until I was editing halfway through, and then all of a sudden audio just went, and so I'm back to it again. So a lot of these items I've already opened, so the packaging might not look as great as what they originally did. But I just want to be honest with you, yeah, this is a second time recording. Right then, I'll just get all the items up ready on the Lookfantastic website so I can tell you how much they're on sale for at the moment. Lookfantastic have loads of offers on their website and they change daily. What these items are selling for when I chose them might not be the same as, say, if you were to go on the website. You might get a better deal. Starting off with something smelly, and I've got a room diffuser. This is by Arie and this is Moroccan Rose for mind, body and soul. It's romantic and evocative rose, tonka bean and musk with essential oils of patchouli and black pepper. It's a luxury diffuser, 200 mils there, and it's really nice. The actual diffuser itself is really nice. I'll get that out and show you. It retails for £39, but it's currently on sale for £31.20. So this is the pot. Nice little pot there. You've got your rediffusers that you pop in there. If you don't want a stronger scent, then you only use a few of them and then you can change them up every now and again. But I'll have a read to see what it says on the back. Usually these rediffusers last up to about 4 months, don't they? But there's, oh, look at my face. Magnified my eyes and nose. But yes, you've got a good amount of fragrance in there. So you just tip it in there and just top it up. So the reason I went for Moroccan Rose is because I wanted something a bit unusual to what I normally go for. I'm a fruity floral loving person, but I do love my musks as well. And although I don't like English rose, I do like other rose scents. I do like it. If I didn't like it, then I would have passed it on as a birthday present to a friend. But it just smells. Can't describe scents. What do I want to say? It's nice. It's sort of earthy. A refreshing blend of bergamot and pepper ignite the room with energising notes that lift senses upon first entry. Conjuring visions of dreamy rose gardens, the scent exudes an air of passion and romance with each delicate rose petal. Patchouli, tonka bean and musk settle at the base with a rich but lavish finish that leaves an unforgettable trail, arriving in a dusky pink clay vessel. Okay, the diffuser adds style and elegance to any room, and yeah, it lasts up to 4 months, but it will last longer if you use less reeds. It's just a really nice smell, but I think just walking into a room with this smell, it's like, yeah, it just smells nice. Plus I love this little clay pot there. So no, really happy with those, and I'll be keeping that myself. I won't be passing it on as a birthday present. I'll have to get something else. Next up, I've got 2 products that I've been dying to get. By Janeiro. It's Rio Radiance. It's their SPF range. Here we've got the SPF 50 body lotion, 100% mineral, which is brilliant, illuminating sunscreen, and there is 200 mils. And over here we got the sun spray, again for SPF 50 and again 200 mils. I'll get them out and show you now. They're both on offer with a really great discount, and maybe with my code you might be able to get a little bit extra. So let's get that information up. It's a fragrance sunscreen enriched with hydrating skincare actives. It retails for £36, but it's currently on sale for £28.80. Looking at the information, it's enriched with niacinamide, pongamia seed, and pitanga extract. The sunscreen defends from urban pollutants and environmental aggressors to visibly brighten and unify the skin tone. Coconut water supports the formula by lending its quenching and hydrating benefits, providing a refreshing, cooling sensation as you bask. Now, I tried these. Ooh, did you see there? I'm not sure. There. I just want to show you. Very, very fine spray, covers quite a large area as well, and I only touched it very lightly. To turn it off, you just twist it, I think. No, you don't, do you? How'd you do it? How'd you do it? It's not there, it's the top. See? I can't press it now. You spray your body, lightly blend it in, and this feels like you've got a very light covering of an oil, but it doesn't leave the skin feeling tacky. You can see it's illuminated compared to my other hand. Can you see? Hopefully you can. But it's not sticky and tacky. I hate the ones that just leave my skin sticky, leaves marks on my clothes and things. Obviously I haven't tested this yet. I've only ever tried it on my hand because it's new, but it just feels nice. It's completely dried down. So there's the body spray. Now onto the body lotion. This retails for £40 and it's currently on sale for £32. Besides everything I told you about the body spray, it says it's not your ordinary sunscreen. The Sol de Janeiro Rio Radiance body lotion reimagines the holiday essential with a tropical twist. The moisturizer sunscreen hybrid indulges skin with a nourishing radiance enhancing formula while imparting summer inspired notes of Charosa 87 fragrance, which is gorgeous. Immerse your senses in beachy accords of solar tuberose, creamy vanilla and lait de coco for an exotic escape wherever you are. They also do an SPF oil as well, so I'll just put a little bit on my hand here. I just wanted to show you how it blends in. So the smell, without a doubt, is absolutely gorgeous. I knew I'd love it. It's my favourite scent from the Sol de Janeiro ranges. But yeah, so I blended all that in. It's left my skin looking really nice and hydrated again. And yeah, it's literally like a moisturiser. It is thicker. It's going to take a little bit more time to dye down than the body spray, which is fine because don't apply SPF to your body and then instantly you put your clothes on. Well, I don't anyway, because generally they are a little bit sticky to start off with. You wait a couple of minutes or so, don't you, before your skin is ready to put your clothes on. So the body cream being a little bit thicker is going to take a little bit longer, but it's just left my skin feeling nice and soft. And again, it's not that tackiness. Nope, that's gone into my skin really, really nicely. You're not going to see a difference, really. But the reason I wanted to buy them both is because I will be using them at the same time. Now we know that SPF doesn't last for hours and hours and hours. Some do, but the majority you have to reapply every couple of hours, every 2 hours or so. So my thinking is in the morning I'm going to apply the body cream all over my body, give it a nice moisturisation, and then a couple of hours later top up with the spray. Keep this with me in my handbag and just top up all throughout the day as needed. But yeah, I'd love to know your thoughts if you've tried them, especially if you've tried the SPF oil that they do as well. So yeah, really, really happy with those. Next up, I've got a duo from one of my favourite tanning brands. It's Ole Paradise. I've got gradual tanning creams and lotions and exfoliators. I've got a lot because I do love fake tanning throughout the year. I've got a horrible habit of when I fake tan my body, I use the same mitt to use the fake tan on my face as well, which is not always great because it can dry your face out. So I thought, no, I'm going to do it the proper way. I'm going to get some tanning drops. Now I do have some tanning drops and I do have some gradual tanning sprays. The gradual tanning sprays that I got, I don't get a deep tan straight away. I get a deep tan over like a week or so. I'm going to meet up with some friends on the weekend, so I'll be fake tanning before then. I want my body and my face to be equally sort of matched, so I need something a little bit stronger than my gradual tanning like setting sprays and finishing sprays I've got that I use that I love. I do have other drops, but they tend to make me look a little bit orange. These I thought I would go for. I haven't tried this before and I can't believe I haven't tried it. It's Ole Paradise, obviously, face tanning drops, and I've got it in medium and there's 30 mils there. This retails for £19.95 and it's currently on sale for £13.97, so a really good discount. The reviews are really good, so which is why I went for it. Comes in 3 different shades, a light, medium and a dark. It says these multitasking drops can be used as part of your skincare and body routine to transform any moisturiser into a custom self-tan. The more drops you use, the deeper the glow. The tanning drops hydrate your skin with coconut, chia seed and avocado oils to create an even, healthy looking finish. With no guide colour, the tan won't block pores or transform into clothing and sheets. So yeah, really excited to give that a go, and hopefully I won't turn orange. And to go with it, I got a self-tan serum, again from Mila Paradise. This is from their body range, High Glow, and it contains hyaluronic acid, and there's 160 mils there. It retails for £26. Say hello to hydrated skin with our moisture boosting gradual self-tan serum for the body, infused with hyaluronic acid, brightening actives, and a gradual glow for radiant glowing skin. Now, I suffer really badly with really dry legs. I'm sure it's related to me having an underactive thyroid. Ugh. Even though I'm on medication, you would have thought it'd be sorted, but no. I don't know. I've just got really dry legs. So when I have a fake tan, my legs are the first to look the worst then, basically. So I have got gradual tanning lotions and things that I do use, but this just sounds just so nice, doesn't it? Ole Paradise do a fake tanning oil, which sounds amazing. It's a spray. It's in the Lookfantastic Summer Beauty Edit, the big round box. You might have seen me unbox it last month. Well, yeah, it's in there. That is great, but I wanted something very similar along the lines of hydrating my body, but I wanted a gradual tan. I wanted something to stop my tan from fading, basically, but also caring for my parched legs. And yeah, I thought I'd give this a go. It sounds really great. I'm not going to try it because I don't want a blob on my hand. But yeah, so I got a High Glow gradual tanning body serum there. Next up, I got Ole Hendrickson, and this is the Banana Bright Eye Cream. It's gold complex vitamin C and collagen to brighten and hydrate, age defying, and there's 15 mils here. It retails for £38. It's not on sale, but I just popped my code in and you can get £8 off it. So you can get it for £30. A couple of weeks ago, Lookfantastic brought out an Ole Hendrickson limited edition beauty edit, and I've unboxed it on my channel as well. So you might have seen that. In there, we had a little 5ml mini of this cream, and I showed you lot that I've already got the full size ready to film for this video. Well, this is it. This is a gorgeous cream. It is really nice. Now, my skin tone does not do very well with yellowy powders. Do you remember a couple of years ago in beauty boxes we used to get yellow loose powders that's supposed to make your under eyes look amazing? Well, I just look dead. It just doesn't suit my skin tone whatsoever. So when I first tried this, I was a little bit apprehensive. Obviously a cream is not going to be as pigmented as actual makeup, but there is a little tint there. It has amazing brightening benefits. It really hydrates my under eyes. Makeup sits beautifully on top, like my concealers and my setting powders as well. It's just a really nice cream, and this size will last me forever because you only need a tiny bit, as you do with under eye cream. But yeah, I just love the fact it's got vitamin C in there, and I do feel it does brighten up my under eyes. So I thought I would treat myself to a full size one. This is the first full size one I've ever had. Next up, I got a brush, makeup brush. I'm obsessed with makeup brushes. I really like It Cosmetics brushes. I've only got one, I think, besides this one. The one I've got is a foundation and a concealer, a 2-in-1 brush, and it's amazing. I really, really love it. I absolutely love it. If anything happened to it, I'd be straight on the website buying another one. So when I saw this, I thought, oh, this is such a nice brush. It is so nice. Heavenly Luxe Airbrush Powder and Bronzer. So it's a nice, big, fluffy, dense, synthetic, bristled brush. But oh, it's just going to feel so nice. Just applying quick bronzer to my face or finishing powders. I know this is going to be used so much. It retails for £38 and it's currently on sale for £34.20. Now the next item is a tanning tool. I'm not going to be using it as a tanning tool. I'm going to be using it to apply my SPF on my back. It's by Bondi Sands. You've probably seen these before. It's a back applicator. It retails for £6.99. It's currently on sale for £14.68. And this is what it looks like. So on one side you've got the Vela pad there. And there's 2 extra ones there as well. So once that's finished and done, whatever, I can swap them over. And then you've got the spongy part on the back there. So I'm going on holiday on my own. You might have already heard, if you've seen any of my previous videos, my very first solo trip. I'm really excited about it, but I am a little bit nervous as well. And I'm trying to think of predicaments that I'm going to get myself into. And one of the things that I heavily rely on is someone to put SPF on my back for me. And then I thought, get one of these. Now I have got one of these already, but it's really old, and I just thought, oh, I'm just going to get a new one and I'll use it specifically for my SPF. When I'm using the Sol de Janeiro body cream SPF, then just to make sure I've covered, I could go over with the spray as well, couldn't I? Just to make sure, because the spray is a lot easier to apply on your back than a cream. But yeah, I thought that was a genius idea. If you don't already know, I'm going to Rhodes. I'm going to Rhodes next month. Yeah, only for a couple of days, sort of ease myself into solo travel, but it's something I've wanted to do for a long, long time. See if I'm okay on my own, see if I like my own company. Yeah, I just want to do it. So the last item is a pair of lashes. I love my lashes. These are Allure. Why am I'm looking on the phone. These are Allure London Luxe Silk. These are Trillion Silk Effect, and it contains the adhesive gel there as well. Can you see them? They look massive, and they are, but they're just so pretty. I didn't get them out in my last video, clearly. The seal is still intact. These were on sale. They were £10. They're on sale for £7. Oh, actually, let's see. I've got a good memory there. Remember that. Yeah, still £10 on sale for £7. There, you can have a proper look. So I'll be cutting them a little bit shorter in the corners because I prefer 3/4. But I do that with most lashes anyway, so no different there. But I just love the winged out effect. I just think it's so pretty. Really, really pretty. So they're going to be my night out lashes for the weekend, and I'll probably take them on holiday with me as well. So those are all the items in my recent Lookfantastic beauty haul. I'd love to hear your thoughts if you've tried any of them, and also if there's anything on the Lookfantastic website that you would like me to choose for my next video and to talk about and maybe try and let you know what I think about it if you've seen something. And yeah, I'm always up for recommendations, but I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.